SCHD just announced an 8.2% dividend increase for Q2 2026. If you own 1,000 shares, your payout rises from $245 to $265. With 5,000 shares, it jumps to $1,325 from $1,225, an extra $400 per year. In this video, I'll break down the new dividend, compare it to past increases, and show exactly how much you'll earn based on your shares. I'll also cover updated annual income projections and where SCHD's dividend could be by the end of 2026. If you own SCHD or plan to invest, this gives you a clear expectation. Here's what we'll cover: the new Q2 2026 dividend versus last year, your exact income by share count, full 2026 dividend projections, and what this means for SCHD's growth, and why it keeps outperforming. Quick disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed advisor. Dividends can change and future growth isn't guaranteed. Always do your own research and consult a professional before investing. Let me break down the Q2 2026 dividend announcement clearly. The numbers. SCHD declared a quarterly dividend of $0.265 per share, payable June 29, 2026, with an ex-dividend date of June 24, 2026. The increase. Last year's Q2 dividend was $0.245. The new $0.265 payout is a $0.02 increase, or 8.2% year-over-year growth. While SCHD's long-term average growth is higher, this is a solid quarterly comparison. What it means: if you hold SCHD before June 24th, you qualify for the dividend. Own 100 shares, earn $26.50. 1,000 shares earn $265. 10,000 shares earn $2,650. Important reminder: you must buy shares before the market opens on June 24th to receive this payment. Buying on or after that date means waiting until the next dividend. Payment. The dividend is paid on June 29th. If you use dividend reinvestment, it buys more shares automatically. Otherwise, the cash goes to your account. Now let's break down exactly what you'll earn based on your SCHD shares. Income by share count. 100 shares pay $26.50 in Q2, or about $106 yearly. 250 shares earn $66.25, or $265 annually. 500 shares generate $132.50, or $530 per year. 1,000 shares pay $265 quarterly, $1,060 yearly, about $88 monthly. 2,500 shares earn $662.50, or $2,650 yearly. 5,000 shares bring in $1,325 quarterly, $5,300 annually. 10,000 shares generate $2,650 quarterly, or $10,600 per year. Growth impact. Compared to Q2 2025, this 8.2% increase adds more income. 100 shares, plus $2 per quarter, $8 yearly. 1,000 shares, plus $20 quarterly, $80 yearly. 5,000 shares, plus $100 quarterly, $400 yearly. 10,000 shares, plus $200 quarterly, $800 yearly. The compounding effect. This is just one increase. If SCHD grows dividends at 8 to 12% annually, your income rises without buying more shares. For example, 1,000 shares could grow from $1,060 yearly to around $1,870 in 5 years and over $3,000 in 10 years, showing the real power of long-term dividend growth. Let's project SCHD's total 2026 dividend based on current data. So far, Q1 paid $0.257 per share, and Q2 is $0.265. Estimates. If growth continues, Q3 could land around $0.28 to $0.30, and Q4, typically the highest, around $0.30 to $0.32. Full year estimate. Adding it up gives roughly $1.11 to $1.12 per share for 2026. What this means: 1,000 shares equals about $1,117 yearly, approximately $93 per month. 5,000 shares equals about $5,585 yearly, approximately $465 per month. 10,000 shares equals about $11,170 yearly, approximately $930 per month. Compared to 2025, with 2025 around $1.03 per share, this suggests approximately 8% growth, consistent with SCHD's long-term trend. 5-year outlook. At 8% annual growth, dividends could reach about $1.64 per share by 2031. That means 5,000 shares could grow from approximately $5,585 per year to over $8,000. Nearly 50% more income without buying additional shares. That's the real power of dividend growth over time. Let me put this increase in context with SCHD's track record. The streak. SCHD has raised its dividend every year since its 2011 launch. 15 straight years of growth with no cuts or pauses. That consistency is rare. Average growth. Since inception, SCHD's dividend has grown about 12.8% annually. Some years are lower, some higher, but the trend is strong. This 8.2% increase is slightly below average, yet still solid. Why it works. SCHD focuses on high-quality dividend companies with at least 10 years of payments, strong cash flow, and manageable debt. These are established businesses like major healthcare, consumer, and energy firms, built for steady income, not speculation. Built-in quality control. The fund rebalances every March, removing weaker companies and adding stronger ones. If a company cuts or pauses dividends, it's typically removed. This keeps the portfolio strong and growing. Compared to others, SCHD's dividend growth outpaces many ETFs. Broader funds often grow around 6 to 7%, while some income-focused ETFs have flat payouts. SCHD stands out for consistent, long-term dividend growth. If you don't own SCHD yet, here's what this dividend increase means for you. Current yield. At around $87 per share, SCHD yields roughly 3.6%, or about $3.10 to $3.50 annually per share based on growth trends. While quarterly payouts vary, the full-year dividend is what matters, and it's steadily rising. Entry advantage. Buying now locks in a approximately 3.6% yield on cost. But with dividend growth around 8 to 12% annually, your yield increases over time. Year 1, approximately 3.6%. Year 5, approximately 6% plus. Year 10, approximately 11% plus. Year 15, approximately 18% plus. How much to invest? For $1,000 per year, invest approximately $27,800, approximately 320 shares. For $5,000 per year, approximately $139,000, approximately 1,600 shares. For $10,000 per year, approximately $278,000, approximately 3,200 shares. Ex-dividend decision. Should you buy before June 24th to get the $0.265 dividend? Only if you already plan to invest. Prices typically drop by the dividend amount, so it's not free money. The key takeaway: buy SCHD for long-term dividend growth, not short-term payouts. The real benefit is rising income over years, not chasing one quarter. Here's the bottom line. SCHD's Q2 2026 dividend is $0.265 per share, an 8.2% increase year over year. If you own SCHD, your income just went up. If you're considering it, you're looking at a fund with a 15-year dividend growth streak. Action steps. If you own SCHD, hold shares before June 24th to receive the June 29th payment. With dividend reinvestment on, it's automatic. Otherwise, cash is deposited. If you're buying, don't chase one payout. Focus on long-term growth. Income tip. Use about $3.13 per share annually as a baseline, growing roughly 10 to 12% per year. Your turn. Share your holdings and estimate your income. Subscribe for future updates and stay consistent with your investing journey.